Hi, today we are going to talk about adding mixed numbers with like denominators. Example, work out 1, 2 over 7, add 2, 3 over 7. So I'm going to use the improper fraction method for this one. So I'm going to convert all these given mixed numbers to improper fractions. First one, 1, 2 over 7. So how do you convert that one to improper? Denominator doesn't change. Numerator 7 times 1 add 2. 7 times 1 7 add 2, that is 9. Then next fraction 2 3 over 7. Denominator 7. Numerator 7 times 2 add 3. 7 times 2 14, add 3, that is 17. Then I'm going to write the fractions. 9 over 7 add 17 over 7. Then you can see the denominators are the same, so I can write that one as the common denominator. I can just add numerators. 9 add 17, that is 26. So this one again improper. For the final answer I have to convert that one to mixed number. So how many 7s are there for 26? That is 3, denominator 7. 7 times 3, that is 21. Add 5, 26. So the final answer is 3, 5 over 7. Next example, work out 2, 3 over 11. Add 3, 5 over 11. As you know, a mixed number is a combination of whole number and a proper fraction. So I can write whole numbers separately and these proper fractions separately. So I'm write 2 add 3 add 3 over 11 add 5 over 11. So whole numbers, when you add 2 add 3, that is 5, and here denominators are the same. I can write that one as a common denominator 11. Then 3 add 5, that is 8. Then whole number, proper fraction, I can combine them and write 5, 8 over 11. That's the final answer. I hope you understood. See you in the next video.